You challenged me to create new and delicious dishes with ingredients that you suggested, paired with FAGE Total, the truly unique, authentic Greek strained yogurt. You chose avocado as the number 2 ingredient. So I'm making sea scallops with a creamy avocado relish on tortillas. It's tangy, it's spicy, and it's smooth, all thanks to that FAGE Total. So a couple things we have to do here. We're going to cook the sea scallops, and we're also going to make the creamy avocado and corn relish. So I think what I'm gonna do first is actually get the sea scallops on the fire. I'm gonna start by taking a little bit of the FAGE Total and just brush a tiny bit right on top of the sea scallops. What this is going to do is help the chili powder and the salt and pepper adhere to the scallops while we cook them. A little bit of canola oil. Now I'm just going to crust the chilies on the scallops, on the chili side down. We're gonna let the scallops cook, and now we're going to put together our creamy avocado and corn relish. We're gonna start with some roasted corn, some chopped jalapenos, some chopped red onion, some fresh lime juice, some chopped cilantro, some salt and pepper, and a ripe avocado. And I'm just going to sort of dice in its shell. It's about equal amounts of corn to avocado. And then some FAGE Total to make it really creamy and rich. Then I'm just going to gently fold it all together. I'm going to take the scallops out. All right, now we can assemble them. A couple of corn tortilla chips. Some of our creamy avocado relish. Sea scallop on top. And then maybe just a little cilantro. FAGE Total 0% helped the flavor of the scallops and brought all the flavors of the relish together.